Good morning. So today one more worksheet about our environment I am going to explain to you. So let me take the questions one after the other. The first question is, interesting aspect of food chain is unknowingly some harmful chemicals enter to our body through dash. Question I'll repeat once again. Interesting aspect of food chain is unknowingly some harmful chemicals enter our bodies through dash. That means actually here food chain is the answer. So this is the food chain. How is, as we know that now the harmful chemicals like pesticides. Pesticides, when we spray to plants, know what happens when the plant is eaten by that animal, it goes to the consumers like this. So what happens in the same way, like for example the food chain I have taken here, from plant it enters to our body also unknowingly. So how it happens is through the food chain. So the answer here is the food chain. Okay, next question let us take. How do some harmful chemicals enter aquatic plants and animals? The same food chain when we take now, how these harmful chemicals like pesticides enter into aquatic plants and animals. How is, as we know that the pesticides will spray for plants to protect them. In that way, so those will enter into the water bodies and also into the soil. As we know that now plants will absorb water, through that even minerals also will be transported, including these pesticides. So what happens, it goes to the next trophic level. So like that, as it moves now, so even it enters into, first it enters into the plants, then it enters into the animals. In such a way, the pesticides, the harmful chemicals like pesticides, it enters into plants, even animals have aquatic organisms. So that is the one. Okay, next question. As pesticides are dashed, these get accumulated progressively at each trophic level. That means here pesticides are the non-biodegradable substances. That means these cannot be degraded by the biological organisms. Those we call it as non-biodegradable. These pesticides are non-biodegradable. So the answer here is non-biodegradable substances. They will enter progressively from one trophic level to the other trophic level. Okay. So the next one is, what is biomagnification? As we know that now, the harmful chemicals like pesticides, when they enter into the food chain, when they move from one trophic level to the other trophic level, the concentration will be keep on increasing. When you take this food chain, when you consider plants or humans, now, the concentration of these harmful pesticides is more in human compared to the plant, because as it moves further, now concentration will be keep on increasing. Concentration will be keep on increasing. This phenomenon we call it as biomagnification. Okay, so that is about the meaning of biomagnification. The next question, dash is the reason why our food chains, food grains such as wheat and rice, vegetables and fruits, and even meat also have or contains varying amounts of these pesticides. That as we know that now, for example, when it goes to the plants, plants only are the producers. When we get them, even in those vegetables, fruits, grains and also varied a small amount of pesticides will be present. It is because of biomagnification. It is because of biomagnification. Okay, so that is one. Next question. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? Decomposers means, as we know that now, the microorganisms which are also called as environmental cleaners. How is, so these will convert the waste organic matter, either plant origin or animal origin. The waste organic matter will be converted into useful form, that is we call it as nitrogenous compounds, that when it enters into the soil, that will be used by plants as their nutrients. In such a way, these decomposers, especially like fungi and bacteria, these will act as the environmental cleaners in the ecosystem. Okay, the last but not the next question. What is the main source of energy in the food chain? As we know that, no, so plants are the autotrophs. So these will make the food with the help of sunlight only. So sunlight is the main source of energy here. So that is the answer. Because by absorbing sunlight only, plants will prepare food. That is why they are called as food. Autotrophs. So the next one is, what are producers? That's the same thing only. Plants are called as producers because they only prepare the food for all the next trophic level organisms. That is why they are called as plants are producers. The last question, what is a trophic level? That is why. So this is the food chain. In this, each and every functional level of the food chain, that we call it as trophic level. So this is about the trophic level and about the today's worksheet. Thank you.